Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to crop an image on Adobe Photoshop on a computer. Without further ado, let's start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop, and an image. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the application Photoshop, let that load, and then go to the left hand side navigation bar where it says create new. Click on this, choose a title for the project itself. I'll just say image. Choose the resolution, width by height. We already have 1500 by 1500 in pixels, so that's okay. If you are required to change to inches, centimeters, do that for yourself. For this tutorial, we are working in pixels. Press OK, and now bring the image from the desktop to the project. Drag and drop. Go within Photoshop. Increase the size of the image itself. So then we have more to work with, and now we are trying to crop an image. So click on rectangular marquee tool. We can press delete. Before we do that, go to eraser tool, click on this, and then click on the image, press OK, and then press delete. And now let's see what happens to the image. And now we have officially cropped the image. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.